It is guided practice day. That means that we are on the practice portion of the lesson. We are done learning our new parts and we are ready to do it on our own with the help of yours truly. So I'm going to read the problems to you and I'm going to give you time to solve them before I go over any of the work. That may mean that there's extra videos in this lesson so that I could give you some additional time to solve them. But remember, if you're having a lot of trouble on this portion, you may want to go back and review some of the videos from previous days because technically by the end of this lesson, you should feel confident that you could do some of this work independently and then be ready to take a quiz. Are we going to take a quiz? That I'm not sure of yet, but I will let you know as soon as I do. So let's start with the example. It says, Sierra has a photo album with 3 empty pages. That's exactly what I would have drawn. Of course, minus the boxes in the center, I would have drawn 3 empty pages. Okay. Each photo uses 1/6 of an album page. So you see they divided those up because they're showing you that if you divide your page up into sixths to put photos, I have room for 6 photos on each page. So that would be 6 there, 6 on the second page, 6 on the third page, for a total of 18 photos. And if I were looking at this as an equation, I want everybody to take a minute. And in this space down here, I want you to write what a division equation for this problem would look like. Okay, what is being cut up into what? 3 blank pages being cut up into sixths, which means I can put 18 photos on those pages. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I hate that I have to erase this, but if I scroll up, it's going to be in our way. Again, if I can get my notability to work, we will not have that problem. Number 16, Corinne picked 1/4 gallon of blackberries. She poured the berries equally into 4 containers. What fraction of a gallon is in each container? I'm going to go back. I'm going to reread this one part at a time, and I'm going to let you begin to do your work. Then I'm going to stop the video, and the next video will begin by me sharing how I would have solved this problem. Don't forget, you've got these little helpers over here. Corinne picked 1/4 gallon of blackberries. So if you're thinking about a whole gallon, did she pick 1 whole gallon? If not, maybe I should do something with that gallon. So once she had her blackberries picked, she poured the berries into 4 equal containers. So of what she picked, she then split them up into 4 equal containers. What fraction of a gallon is in each container? So I want you to picture just one little container. So this is cut up into individualized containers. What fraction of that 1/4 is that container going to be? Go ahead and solve. I will move on to the video where I will explain how this problem could be done.